Conjure up this sweet ghostly mud cake for an easy Halloween centerpiece. To do it, preheat the oven to 100 degrees Celsius, then line a large baking tray with baking paper. Place the meringue mix and water in a large bowl. Use an electric mixer to beat until combined. Set aside for 2 minutes. Then beat on high for 10 minutes or until stiff peaks form. Place the meringue mixture in a piping bag fitted with a 1 cm plain nozzle. Then pipe onto the baking tray to make different sized teardrop shapes. Pop in the oven and bake for 1 hour until the meringues are dry to the touch. Leave the meringues in the oven with the door ajar to cool completely. Use a wooden spoon to prop open the door if necessary. Use a knife to remove the icing from 2 Coles chocolate mud cakes. Place 1 cake on a serving platter and spread the top with half the chocolate frosting. Top with the remaining cake and spread with the remaining frosting. Use black writing icing to decorate the meringues with ghost faces. Then arrange the meringues on the top and sides of the cake. Add the finishing touches by decorating the cake with sprinkles and icing eyes. This easy cake hack is the perfect way to spook up your Halloween celebrations.